Welcome to KimchiTech English. Do you know how babies start learning languages? The parents give basic words and they start with basic conversation. After that, the baby repeat what the parents say. Repetition is crucial for mastering a new language.
Let's explore how English is spoken in the real world. Ready? Let's jump in.
Today, we shall practice useful conversations.
These conversations will be on different topics related to everyday situations.
You can use these practical conversations in your real life.
You will find them very useful when have to talk in English in the real world.
So are you ready for today's lesson?
First, listen to us carefully.
Then repeat after us.
Only listening is not enough. You must speak too.
Both listening and speaking are important if you want to be good at English.
So, let's begin.
At the supermarket,
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
the bread is in aisle 5.
Thank you.
Buying clothes.
How much is this t-shirt?
It's $20.
Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting rooms are over there.
Asking for help.
Can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I am looking for a gift for my friend.
At the checkout.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Great, I'll pay with my card.
Return policy.
Can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Yes, you can return it within 30 days.
Thank you.
Asking for a discount.
Is there a discount on this item?
Yes, it's 10% off.
That's great. I'll take it.
Looking for sizes.
Do you have this in a size medium?
Let me check. Yes, here you go.
Thanks a lot.
At a restaurant.
I'd like to order a pizza, please.
What toppings would you like?
Cheese and pepperoni.
Buying electronics.
Can you recommend a good laptop?
This model is very popular.
How much is it?
It's $500.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's 2 blocks down the street, on the left.
Thank you very much.
Shopping for shoes.
Do you have these shoes in size 8?
Yes, we do. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please.
Looking for vegetables.
Where can I find the tomatoes?
They are in the produce section.
Thank you.
Asking for recommendations.
Can you recommend a good shampoo?
This one is very popular.
I'll take it.
Buying a book.
Do you have the latest mystery novel?
Yes, it's right here.
Great, I'll buy it.
At the bakery.
I'd like a loaf of bread, please.
White or whole wheat?
Whole wheat, please.
Checking prices.
How much are these apples?
They are $2 per pound.
I'll take 2 pounds.
Buying jewelry.
Is this necklace real silver?
Yes, it is.
How much does it cost?
It's $50.
Shopping for toys.
I'm looking for a toy for my son.
How old is he?
He's 5 years old.
How about this toy car?
Perfect.
At the florist.
I'd like to buy some flowers.
What kind of flowers would you like?
Roses, please.
Asking about store hours.
What time do you close?
We close at 9 p.m.
Thank you.
Buying perfume.
I'm looking for a nice perfume.
This one is very popular.
Can I smell it?
Of course.
Asking for a bag.
Can I have a bag, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you.
At the electronics store.
Do you sell phone chargers?
Yes, they are over there.
Thank you.
Buying a gift.
I need a gift for my friend.
What about this watch?
It looks great. I'll take it.
Ordering online.
Can I order this online?
Yes, you can order it on our website.
Thank you.
Asking for delivery.
Do you offer home delivery?
Yes, we do.
Great. I'd like to have this delivered.
Comparing prices.
Is this cheaper than that one?
Yes, it's $10 less.
I'll take the cheaper one.
Asking about sales.
Are these shoes on sale?
Yes, they are 20% off.
That's great.
At the pet store.
Do you sell cat food?
Yes, it's in aisle 3.
Thank you.
Buying stationery.
I need some pens.
How many do you need?
Just 2, please.
At the coffee shop.
Can I have a coffee, please?
What size would you like?
Medium, please.
Looking for milk.
Where is the milk?
It's in the dairy section.
Thank you.